you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. How's it going? Good, how are you? You did one today? Yep. Okay. I couldn't catch you with Arkansas. I'm gonna get you this time.
Door shut.
Okay. What you running in here?
4 Audio 8 Joker 15s.
Y'all changed it up since last time, didn't you?
No, we're rebuilding next week.
Okay. Y'all drove everything down this time?
Yep.
Okay. 2 separate vehicles, everything came on down. Yeah, we tried that. We tried that. I don't know if she liked it. Appreciate it. What? Let me know what I can find you on social media anywhere. I know it's DJ Dirty Bass for sure. Okay, the Bass Kitty. Okay, I'll be sure to tag down below. It's good seeing y'all. We'll see y'all in the next one.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.